In this video, we will show you how to install Pantheon Web Services via Clotho. This feature allows you to easily upload or upgrade program files for Pantheon Web Services. Let's look at an example. The person responsible wishes to install or upgrade Pantheon Web Services via Clotho. First, they open Clotho as administrator. Then, enable the parameters, online upgrade and download upgrades. On the Storage tab, under the Advanced option, select Pantheon Web Services. Into the Page field, enter the page that you have created in your Internet Information Services for which you want to download the program files. In the Application field, select the / which means root. Finally, launch the upgrade. You can upgrade your Pantheon Web Services independently, or at the same time as upgrading the Pantheon database. When the upgrade is complete, a log is displayed at the end to indicate whether the upgrade was successful. Downloaded files can be viewed by the person responsible in their set file directory. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.